pedal drive functie doen. Hè.
Ja.
Dus, ja, goed bezig. We zijn bezig. We have the model 300, we have a model 400. 300 means 300 capacity of 300 kilowatt hour. We have a 400 with 4 battery capacity of 400 kilowatt hours. It's all about the range that you can do it. With the 300 you can do almost 300, and with the 400 you can do almost 400 kilometers. The reason that you have the more consumption, less consumption is of course the payload, the weather conditions, and of course high climbing, uphilling, downhill, and so forth.
And the 300 is the range in an average situation with the mix between
Yes.
highway and like a normal route of a normal truck.
Yes, highway. These trucks are not meant to do a lot of highway. They are very strong with local and city centers to do the deliveries, last mile deliveries. So at home, at restaurants, at bars, and in city centers, with the less noise you have, and also the low speed. You can do the one pedal driving. You have a lot of recuperations, and you can even do more than 300 kilometers because you do more recuperation. On a highway you have not the chance to recuperate, so you have to do maybe stop earlier to recharge a little bit your truck to can go back home, but the average is 300 kilometers with the 300.
Can you explain a bit the driving modes?
Yes, we have, first of all, we have the range. We have the range function, so we have one engine with the power of 330 kilowatts, but with the range function with over de keel.
Oei, sorry.
Dat is niks. With the range function, we limit the power with 70%. That means that the driver cannot pass the 70%. So we save a little bit from the battery capacity, so we have less peaks. And the driver can only drive on the highway 85 kilometers an hour. Then you have the economy, and so you can see at the right, economy, you have a capacity of, they limit you at 85% of the 330 kilowatts. And then of course you have the power, and then you have the full 330 kilowatts available to accelerate. Everything is done to get a maximum of range. So when you want to go uphill very fast, you use the power. When you're on a flat region with flat roads, you can choose for the option range. So that means you have less peaks, you can do a lot more. You have a lot more autonomy.
And the M and the A?
The M and the A, you have the A, but you can drive on manual if you want. And now we don't shifting.
Okay.
So it's the driver who has to shift now up to second, but once in second you cannot downshift. But we prefer of course to drive in A. To do one pedal drive, you have to select here your braking power, and now with your accelerator you can play. So the first, when you push the accelerator, you accelerate of course, but when you release with your feet the accelerator, the last 30% you can play with it to brake a little bit or to recuperate. And you have to do it very carefully, so you can even when you have a little bit experience, you can play with it and you don't have to touch your brake pedal to brake. Of course, in city centers, it's make a very big differences with your average, with your autonomy, of course. Yeah. Here you can see the power of the batteries goes now to the last axle. When you release your feet from the accelerator, now you can see that the power is pushing the energy back to the battery. So you reload when you're braking. You can stop to the traffic lights.
So it's with the kick down here.
Yes, we have an electrical engine. So he's produced 400 kilowatts, but we reduce it to 330 kilowatts. But you have to below in the screen a boost function. So when you push the kick down, you use the 400 kilowatt hours to accelerate. So you can do a little drag race now. And he's going very fast to 70 or 80 kilometers an hour.
And how many batteries did it have, and what was the capacity?
Yes, for the moment you drive it to 300, so that means that we have 3 batteries below the chassis of the truck. Each battery has 110 kilowatts hour capacity, but we only use the 100 kilowatt hour. So when you want to reload, you have to look for a DC charger, and of course you have to look how much he's giving to you, because you have chargers at 50 kilowatts, you have chargers at 100, 150 and so forth. So when you have a charger with 150 kilowatt hour, you have to load 2 hours and then the battery is full. It's full capacity, has his full capacity again.
But the maximum speed of DC charging that is possible was?
It's more than 350 kilowatt hours, but you have to need a charging station who can give or produce this much of energy.
But the truck driver, they can also charge at like a traditional Fastnet station. It's allowed to charge there with the truck.
Of course, it's allowed. For the moment, it's only made for cars, but of course you can park over there with the truck. The only sad thing is for the car drivers, they have to wait a little bit when the charging station is free, because we take a little bit more space than a normal car.